بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ربي اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي عمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. So standing up to injustice is a big problem faced today by us and back in the era of Imam Hussain. Imam Hussain really stood up against injustice. This was really nicely shown in Karbala when he refused to give bay'ah to Yazid ibn Muawiyah, and he put his whole family through all of that just to stand up against injustice and to carry the message of Islam. So today we're influenced a lot by peer pressure. So today we're influenced a lot by peer pressure. So today we're influenced a lot by Today there is a lot of oppression in the world. Even when we go to school, small examples of this can be found, and we can learn lessons from Karbala, like Imam Hussain did. Obviously his situation was much worse than ours are today, so we can really implement this in our lives. A common example is that if you are with friends, a certain group of friends, and you hang out with them a lot, and they start to do something haram which they didn't do before, then you should see how Allah would see it, because you are being judged by Allah. And so if you think that it isn't good to be involved with these people, even if you thought they were good before they committed this act, you should try and distance yourselves from them, because picking friends is very important, as it can lead to many things later in your life. The message of standing up to injustice went all the way back to the Prophet's time, after the Prophet's death, where Bibi Fatima al-Zahra, she lost the land of Fadaq, and it was taken from her. And what she did was, just because she was a woman, she didn't refrain from doing anything. She stood up against injustice, and she really thought that it was necessary for the land of Fadaq to be returned back to her, because it was unrightly stolen from her. So a message today from me is that whatever race, gender or age you are today, standing up for justice today should really be a big thing, and no human being today should accept being oppressed.